Hey guys, welcome to question FM255 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. This question reads, the directed graph below shows the results of a basketball tournament between 5 teams. Alphas, Block Party, Cash Money, Dirty Daves, and Electric Boogaloo. And then we're given this graph here. Each arrow indicates the winner of individual games. For example, the arrow from Block Party to Alphas indicates that Block Party beat Alphas in their matchup. So this arrow from here to here, because the arrow is moving from B to A, means they beat them. This type of graph is best described as what? And then we're given 5 options. So going through those 5 options, A, B, C, D, and E, our answer is definitely not a minimum spanning tree. So a minimum spanning tree would actually be within a graph or a network itself. So we could have a graph or a network and we create a minimum spanning tree from a weighted network or a weighted graph. So it's not A. B is a complete graph. Now a complete graph is a graph in which every vertex is directly connected to every other vertex, meaning there's just one edge between them. So in this example, D is connected to E, A, B, and C directly, and as you can see from the rest of them, they're all connected to each other. So B is looking like a good option right now. Option C says a loop. Now a loop, as you're maybe aware by now, would be just an edge that connects back to the same vertex, which of course we don't have any loops in this current graph. So our answer is not C. Option D says a cycle. So once again, a cycle is probably better described as being part of a network. So you could have a path that was a cycle. So that would just be, for example, here, if we wanted to create a cycle, we would go from A to E to D to C to B to A. So using every vertex only once, except of course for our start and finish, and starting and finishing at the same point. Of course, a cycle doesn't have to go, a normal cycle doesn't have to go through all vertices. It could just be from A to E to D to A. That could also be a cycle. And so our answer is not D. Option E says a planar graph. Now there is no arrangement for this graph here in which we could achieve a planar result, that is no edges overlapping. So E is also not our correct answer. Our correct answer, of course, is B. If you guys have any questions about that, please drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.